We all know our economy has been suffering from hard times. At the same time, online retailer sales continue to grow each year. This is because shopping online allows buyers to avoid crowds and find desired products easily. But surfing for gifts in cyberspace can be risky. This is because some internet sites are merely fronts for collecting credit card data, while others simply fail to deliver the sought-after product. Here are some online safety tips. When visiting a website, take note of the domain name. This appears overhead in the browser. Make sure the internet name is spelled correctly and has the usual .com or .net ending. Other endings may indicate websites from foreign countries. Make sure the internet address begins with HTTPS rather than HTTP, as the S means it is a secure website. Legitimate websites have proper disclosures, such as links to their terms and conditions, and actual contact telephone numbers and physical addresses. Explore the website and see if the links work. Call the phone number to verify it is real. In the website, make sure the grammar, spelling, and punctuation are proper to avoid phony or foreign-based websites. Reject any requests for wire transfer payments, as this is the quickest way to lose money. Legitimate retailers will accept credit cards which offer you more protection than debit cards. Do not buy into act now offers or sob stories. These are merely bait schemes. Research the prices, including all taxes, shipping, and handling fees. Unscrupulous retailers will lure buyers with the lowest price only to overcharge on shipping and handling. If you lose an online auction, be wary of any follow-up email offering the same deal. They may be from the original auctioneer who was bidding up their own auction, known as shilling. Also, the unsolicited emails may be from scammers who cruise auction sites and coax would-be buyers into non-secure buying environments. Shopping online has many advantages. Please be a careful consumer and take heed of these precautions. If you have suffered a loss, please contact our Consumer Mediation and Protection Unit. Thank you.